Hi, I'm Mike Roth with the Roth Team at Shorewest Realtors. Thanks for watching our real estate video blog today. We have a guest here today, Tim Lammers from Waukesha State Bank. Tim does lending for all of our clients, whether it be conventional mortgages, WHEDA loans, VA, FHA, all different sorts of types of loans that we'll talk about. Thanks for joining us today, Tim.
Appreciate it, Mike.
I thought what we talk about today is WHEDA loans. First question I got so the listeners can know, what is a WHEDA loan, Tim?
A WHEDA loan is a special first-time homebuyer loan that is offered through the Wisconsin Housing Economic Development Authority, otherwise known as WHEDA.
Okay, and so what are the advantages of a WHEDA loan?
WHEDA buyers actually get a lower than market interest rate, and they can also qualify usually with less of a down payment. To give you an example, today the WHEDA rate is about 0.75% lower than the normal rate, which would save the normal home buyer about $150 on a $300,000 mortgage.
Wow, that's considerable. So Tim, who qualifies for a WHEDA loan?
Well, first of all, you have to be a first-time home buyer.
Okay.
And second of all, you have to make less than $100,000 a year for a family of 2 or less. If it's a family of 3 or more, then the maximum income is $115,000. In addition to that, you want to have good credit and a good job history. It's also important to note that people who haven't owned a home in about 3 years or less, could also be considered a first-time home buyer.
Oh, okay, interesting. And how would they apply for this WHEDA loan?
They would apply by contacting myself, Tim Lammers at Waukesha State Bank. We are a preferred WHEDA lender. Not every lender has access to the WHEDA program.
Good. Well, thanks again, Tim. And if they need to have any other questions about the WHEDA loan or financing, what's the best number for them to reach you?
Best number to reach me would be 414-803-3773.
Well, thanks again, Tim, and thanks for watching our real estate video blog today.